Welcome to our guide on how to leverage the incredible power of AI to generate income. In today's digital age, AI tools have revolutionized the way we work and create opportunities for earning money like never before. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking to explore new avenues, join us as we uncover the secrets to financial success with AI. Let's dive in. Step 1. Identifying profitable niches. 1. Research trending industries and niches where AI solutions are in high demand. 2. Use AI-powered market analysis tools to identify gaps and opportunities for innovation. 3. Explore fields such as e-commerce, digital marketing, finance, healthcare, and more, where AI applications can drive significant value. Step 2. Building AI-powered products and services. 1. Utilize AI development platforms like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or IBM Watson to create innovative solutions tailored to market needs. 2. Develop AI-driven products such as chatbots, predictive analytics tools, recommendation engines, or personalized experiences. 3. Offer AI-based services like data analysis, automation, natural language processing, or machine learning consulting to businesses seeking to optimize their operations. Step 3. Monetizing your AI expertise. 1. Showcase your AI expertise through online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or TopTal to attract clients seeking AI solutions. 2. Create and sell AI-powered digital products such as software applications, plugins, templates, or educational courses. 3. Collaborate with companies as a technology partner or consultant to implement AI strategies and drive business growth. 4. Explore opportunities for passive income by licensing your AI algorithms, selling data insights, or participating in affiliate marketing programs. Step 4. Scaling your AI business. 1. Automate repetitive tasks and streamline workflows using AI tools and algorithms to increase efficiency and scalability. 2. Invest in continuous learning and skill development to stay updated with the latest advancements in AI technology and industry trends. 3. Foster partnerships and collaborations with other AI professionals, startups, or enterprises to expand your network and reach. 4. Leverage AI-driven marketing strategies such as personalized content, targeted advertising, and predictive analytics to attract and retain. Conclusion. By harnessing the power of AI tools and techniques, you can unlock endless opportunities to earn money and build a successful business. Whether you're a developer, entrepreneur, or creative thinker, now is the time to embrace AI and embark on a journey of innovation and financial prosperity. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and strategies on how to thrive in the AI-driven economy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And remember, the future is AI, so let's seize the opportunities together. See you in the next video.